Hello, it's about 57 today, so I decided to take the dogs for a walk in the woods. I've really missed my walks, and there's going to be a nice 60 degrees coming next week, so I'll probably walk to the ocean. I can't take the dogs because it's just, they'll get hypothermia if they get wet. And they're dogs, so they're not going to be avoiding the water. There's the doggos. And it's good for them too, to go on a walk. The lily pads in the swamp over there are full of flowers. Nothing but yellow flowers. They're really, really pretty. Well, I guess as lily pads go. But I think the frogs probably like it. This way, this way. I'm looking for shed antlers too. I'd like to get a nice set. Personally, I'd love to get a set of elk shed. It's really pretty now because there's tons and tons of moss. And I miss my raven, but I don't hear him today. I think this view is just awesome. I like to come down here away from the walking path because people let their dogs run loose over there, and I just not interested in having somebody's big dog hurt my dogs. There's not really much wind today either. I haven't gone over this way, so we're going to check this out. Come on. What you looking at, Odin? If you stand still, Freya flips out. and starts crying. She has to be on the move. Don't you? Hang on, guys. I have to watch it because there's a ton of roots and stuff and branches. I really don't feel like falling on my butt. This way, come on. It's so serene and peaceful in here, except when loud cars go by and stuff like that. And then the sirens, of course, from the police station. Every time I say that, then the police sirens go. Hey. What you see? You see an animal? You see a chipmunk? There's nothing like these forests. I've seen the forests in northern Minnesota. I spent most of my life around those, and then I've seen the forests in Colorado by Pikes Peak up 10,000 feet. And oh my gosh, the first mosquito I've seen. And I think the forests here in Oregon are the most beautiful. Oh goody. Listen. Well, that's a fire truck. I don't know if that's my raven or if that's a crow, because ravens also mimic everything. I think that's a crow. Come on, nope, you're not sniffing that. Maybe that's a jay. I don't know. Well, there's a person up there. That's what you guys were seeing, huh? Come on. That's why I wear my fluorescent green jacket. Like that kind of green. It's really, really bright. Wonder if she's picking mushrooms. I don't know if there's mushrooms this time of year here. I saw some mushrooms in the one smoking area that at the apartment. These are brown mushrooms, not that orange pink psychedelic one. Do you know somebody on YouTube channel texted me and said they wanted me to give them that mushroom? And I'm like, no. But when I went back to see it, it was gone. Okay, let's go this way. Up here. Well, this is our walk, and we're going to continue for a while, so I hope you have a really, really nice day. See ya.